Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 crashing on Windows 11. First, we will check the game files because damaged or missing files can often cause crashes. Open Steam and go to your library. Find Kingdom Come Deliverance 2, then right-click on it and select Properties. Now open the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game and replace any files that are broken or missing. After the process finishes, restart Steam and try launching the game again. If the game still crashes, try lowering your graphics settings. Open Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 and change your graphics preset from Ultra to High. Very high settings can sometimes put too much load on your system and cause the game to close. You should also limit your frame rate to 60 FPS. You can do this from the in-game settings or by using your graphics card control panel. A stable frame rate can help prevent crashes. Another important fix is installing the latest Visual C++ redistributables. These files are required by many PC games to run correctly. Download the newest Visual C++ package from Microsoft, then run the installer as administrator. If you see an option to repair, choose it. If it is not installed, select Install. After the installation is complete, restart your PC. Thanks for watching.